In this video, I'm going to show you how to unsee contacts from Instagram. You need to open up your Instagram, go to the bottom right, then on the top right, click on Settings and Privacy. Then you want to click on Account Center, and then you want to click on Your Information and Permission. From there, click on Upload Contacts, and if it's turned off, it should be gray as so. If it's turned on, it should be like have a green outline, but that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.